In this video, I am gonna be showing you guys how to make the best pink drink dupe. A pinkity drinkity. Guys, I'm literally so excited. Like, let us get into it. I've been a very big Starbucks girly. Let's just say that. Let's put that out there. I do already have a video listed on my page about holiday drink dupes from Starbucks, which you can go watch up there. Basically, I made homemade, healthier dupes. And that's one thing I love like finding is a really good, healthy dupe for a drink that isn't so healthy. So, my go-to drink at Starbucks, I don't really lean towards chais, only if I really want a chai, or I haven't touched the matchas yet, so if you guys think I should test the Starbucks matchas, let me know because I do kind of have like an itch to taste them. But the point I'm trying to make is that I am the type of girl who loves to sit down with a little drink, cutesy little drink, to do some work or to watch a show. I need a drink to do anything, honestly. Like either some peppermint tea, iced tea, a whole bunch of other stuff, not really water. Except when I go to the gym, I'm really good about drinking water when I go to the gym. The OG drink I used to get all the time at Starbucks was the strawberry acai refresher with all of these lovely photos. I used to be literally obsessed with this drink. Every time we went into town with either my mom or dad, I would always be like, I need a strawberry acai refresher. Then once I got a little bit older, like maybe junior, senior year, one of my friends always had a pink drink and I'm like, you know what? I need to drink pink drinks more because they are actually really good. And then I literally became the biggest pink drink girly. And I know the sound you guys are probably thinking, the James Charles, pinkity drinkity, like, yeah, I was that girl. What could I say? I love strawberries. I love coconut milk. Like, it's a no-brainer that I love that drink, but it doesn't make me feel great. And I'm on my health/wellness journey in 2026. I want to find better habits, better ingredients, better foods, etc. I just want to be a better version of myself and an up-leveled version. And I'm gonna show you one of my new little drink dupes that I found that is an up-leveled version of myself. Instead of the 2023, 2024 little pink drink girly, we ain't that anymore. It's 2026 and I'm healthy, fit, and a wellness queen who found a perfect drink dupe to the pink drink. I'm actually so excited. I am foaming at the mouth right now because it is so good. I'm just really excited to be making this video. The secret ingredient to this is the Nello Super Calm. I love this stuff so much. Love it. In my 5 healthy habit video, which is listed up there, highly recommend that one. It made me hotter, let's just say that. So definitely go take a look at that. One of the things I talk about a lot in that video is water and finding things that make water even yummier than it is, because I hate water and I hate the taste of it. So adding little additives that are healthy and really good for you and have a whole bunch of other benefits is like crack to me, because like, hello, this is gonna make my water taste like a pink drink. Come on, that is some crazy shit right there. But also, I'm gonna link it in my Amazon storefront down below with a couple other things that you need for this drink. So go check that out right now so you can get all the ingredients so you can make a pink drink at home. It has all of these beautiful ingredients in them. I love this because I get bad migraines around my period, and the only thing that really helps them is magnesium, and this has magnesium in them. So these really help prevent my headaches and migraines. So another plus side of having a little cutesy little drink. I'm basically gonna open this up and, ooh, awkward. It didn't really open. Oh gosh, it smells so good. I have probably had like 6 of these in the past 6 days. I've had one every single day since we got these because like I said, I'm obsessed. And I think you could technically have 2 of these a day. You can even make like a jumbo one, but I really don't need all of that. Plus it's kind of pretty sweet, which is like, just like the pink drink, it's pretty sweet. So, but there's no added sugar, which the pink drink definitely has sugar. Anyways, I'm just gonna pour this in. I kind of messed up opening it, so don't judge me. I just filled it up with halfway with water, which super easy to mix in. It's just like any other like packet added to water. Mixes in super easily. And then I'm going to grab my coconut milk. This is my favorite coconut milk. I love this brand. Basically, I just add the rest with coconut milk, basically topping it all the way up, just like that. I like to do a little stir and also a sip test because I need to make sure that I don't need any more coconut milk or water. Then I like to add just some strawberries on top, just like the pink drink. I personally really like the strawberries on top. I know it's a huge debate between like people like strawberries don't do anything. Like, I don't know, I just like to snack on the strawberries after I'm done drinking it. Like, personal preference. Tell me that doesn't look like a pink drink. Like, come on, bro. You could also add ice, but I am like very against ice for some reason. I hate ice in my pink drinks. Ice anywhere else, fine, whatever. But pink drinks, it just makes it like taste not good, in my opinion. Back in like 2023, maybe 2022, I was looking for any dupe I could find, and I went and got like lotion spray. This, I can't remember. I'm gonna put that up on the screen though. This, and it did not taste anything remotely close to my pink drink, and I'm like, this is such a waste because it doesn't taste like a pink drink, and everybody on TikTok is saying it does. And all of those people on TikTok are liars, because if you tell me it's gonna taste like a pink drink, I'm expecting it to taste like a pink drink. And if it doesn't, false information. Hello. And I don't live by false information. I don't like to gatekeep. I love to share my information that I find helpful and useful. And I want you guys to have this knowledge as well. I don't want to spread false information. I wouldn't be making this video if I wasn't like, holy cow, this actually tastes like a pink drink. Let's just say I've been through it. I have tried everything to make a pink drink at home. I even bought like the little like bottles of pink drink, and they tasted like ass. Like actual, like, yeah, badus. There is also an option to add some acai powder into it, because I do know that that strawberry acai concentrate is what the pink drink is made out of. Personally, I feel like this is pretty spot on without the acai powder, but if you want the added benefits of the acai powder, it's super easy to mix in. I would probably use one of like the little electric whisks, like one of these guys, but you really don't need to. You just have to mix it pretty well. This, so honestly, it's like spot on. Let me have 10 more of these right now. Plus, it literally took maybe like 2 minutes to make. So it's better than driving. For me, Starbucks is about 15 minutes away, the closest one. So my in-home barista, aka myself, this is definitely 10 times better than Starbucks, because like I just know everything that I'm putting into my body, which instantly makes me hotter. So 2026 is the hot version of myself. Everything wellness, everything good, everything glowy. That is what I'm trying to put out into the universe. So this little drink is 10 times better than the Starbucks. And if you are watching Nello, I love you guys. What can I say? You guys are so good. I have a whole bunch of other flavors that I really do like. Nothing can top my pink drink, because like I said, I'm the biggest pink drink girly ever. It's so dull looking on camera, though it's not. Like, I swear it's like pretty bright pink, kind of like the pink drink. Maybe just a tad bit lighter. Anyways, look how cute my nails are too. They are already chipping, so don't mind them, but super cute. Though, I think that is it for this video. I will be editing while drinking the rest of this. I'm so excited to do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are currently not subscribed, wow, come on. By now, you guys should be subscribed, and we should all be besties. Like, come on, catch up. Go check out the rest of my channel. Go look at my other videos I posted, and go subscribe, join the fam. We have lots of fun here. Okay, sale pitch is over. Let's wrap it up. Go like and comment in this video. I love to know if you guys tried this, and I would love to hear any feedback or any video suggestions because it really does help me out. Helps understand what I should be posting on this channel. Okay, seriously, end of the video. Bye fam, love you.